This is my 2007 Hyundai Sonata, and today I'm going to replace the old windshield wiper blades here with these new Rain-X Latitudes, and let me show you how to do that. The blades that are on here currently are Rain-X Latitudes also, and the way to get them off is fairly easy. There's a little clip here, and I like to use a screwdriver. You just put it in and you pry it, and bingo, it comes right off. And then all you have to do is, this is a J clip right here, that's what they call it, and you just slide it and the blade comes right off. Okay, let's put the new one on here. So first we got to just unbox it. Slides right out of the box. So you got, what do you have in here? Instructions, and the blade itself has a protective thing that just slides right off. To put it back on, it's basically the same as when you took it off. You just release the clip, you take the J clip, slide it over, kind of locks into place here, and there you go, and it's done. To replace the blade on the driver's side, you do the same thing. You got to release this little clip right here, so I'm just going to do that. It's open, and what happens? The blade slides right off just like that. So I'm going to put this new one on. It's a little hard for me to reach when it's way over here, so I'm going to leave it up. And what you do is you take the new one, just push it in over the J, and you got to have to push it up a little bit. Make sure it's clicked in tight. This comes down, it clicks, and you're all done. I have to tell you, it's working beautifully. I love these new wiper blades.